Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your AirTalk wireless number. You have two options. First, you can request a new number directly from AirTalk Wireless. To do this, contact their customer support and tell them you want to change your number. They'll verify your account and assign you a new one. Your second option is to transfer a number from another carrier. This is called porting in. Just provide AirTalk with your old carrier's account number, PIN, and the phone number you want to bring over. They'll handle the transfer for you. And that's it. That's how to change your AirTalk wireless number. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.